guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a grocery haul and a meal plan. Whew, I'm hot. I just carried everything in the house and it's not that hot out, but we have had such bad pollen that I can't have any of the windows open, so I just turned the air on because I am hot. But I have a just a random Walmart grocery haul for you, a few things that we need to stock up on, like some kids snacks and things like that. But I also have a meal plan for you. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you what we are going to be meal prepping to stay on track with Weight Watchers. It's getting harder because it's summertime, and all of the ice cream. But we are working on staying on track and having healthy options, and all of that definitely helps. So if you guys like these kind of videos, like Weight Watchers videos, grocery hauls, meal ideas, any of that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe. I do lots of that. Motherhood, cleaning, all of that kind of stuff on my channel. So let me flip you around. I gotta change out my battery because it's yelling at me. And then I will show you everything that we got. All right, starting with over here. This is my favorite coffee creamer. So I was running low on that, so I grabbed one of those. Austin loves to have orange juice every morning, so I got one of those. I got two of my favorite Stoke coffees. Kevin and Layton, all the kids like these, but mainly Kevin and Layton eats them. Layton's been having them for breakfast. She puts Cheerios and a few chocolate chips in them, so that has been her go-to breakfast lately. So I got 8 of those. I got 2 whipped creams because we were out of whipped cream. I got some tortillas and some burrito style, both the carb balance. These are flour and these are whole wheat. These are a little bit bigger, so we're gonna be doing quesadillas on the menu this week, so that's why I got those. We were out of pickles, so I grabbed some pickles, some light string cheese, some strawberries, bananas, egg whites. I'm gonna be making like some egg white bites, so I got those for that, and I just love egg whites anyway. I was all out of canned corn, so I grabbed 4 of those. We're gonna be doing burgers one night, so I grabbed 4 prime rib burgers, also these brioche rolls to go with them, some 45 calorie light bread, a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, a huge bag of carrots, some tortilla chips to go just as like snacks with like some of our dinners, like chips and salsa. The kids love these. I love them too. I don't know how many points they are because I don't think I've bought them since I've been on Weight Watchers, but they're such a good little snack. They're so good, like just to get your chocolate fix. My favorite staple in the entire world are these chocolate rice cakes. Cheez-Its, these little mini chippers for the kids, the little chocolate chip cookie packages, their favorite granola bars. We have been baking and stuff a lot, and I'm getting low on chocolate chips. And I usually buy them at BJ's, but I just grabbed them like a bigger bag at Walmart just to tide us over. We do lots of movie nights in the summertime. We do them right out on the back deck there, and we were all out of M&Ms. So I grabbed a bigger thing of M&Ms, grabbed some pasta for pasta night. I got 1 whole wheat and 1 angel hair. Angel hair is literally everyone else's favorite. Penne is my favorite. So I might be making a pasta salad this week for myself for some meal prep. So I bought that for that, and this will be for regular dinner. I wasn't feeling good the last few days, so I used up all the soup. This is the soup that we all are obsessed with. The kids and I, anytime we're sick or we're just in the mood for soup, this is the soup that we have. We got some Ken's buttermilk ranch dressing. This is our favorite marinade for our grilled chicken, and to grill it up, it's delicious. It is like my absolute favorite. So we have that. We have some pasta sauces, roasted garlic. I got 2 of those, and a pizza sauce because I have some pizza crust in the oven. Oh my god, I can't talk. In the freezer that I'm going to pull out when we're going to make pizzas, a barbecue chicken pizza and a regular pizza this weekend for lunch because I am off this whole weekend. So that is all of the groceries. And now my meal plan. So on Friday, because I am working Friday, it's just easy. I have my own, some of my homemade sauce, but not enough. So that's why I bought those other sauces, at least one of those to add to my sauce, and I'll put some meatballs and cook those up, and we'll have that Friday with, we also have some garlic toast in there as well. Saturday, we're going to have burgers and hot dogs. Those are those burgers that I showed you. Sunday, we're gonna have breakfast for dinner. Monday, we're gonna do chicken quesadillas with rice and corn. Tuesday, we're gonna do steak tips, mashed potatoes, and carrots. Wednesday, we're gonna do grilled chicken salads. Thursday is, typically I grocery shop on Fridays, or Thursday night or Fridays. So Thursdays, I like to have like a leftover, clean out the fridge, everyone eat all the stuff. So then my meal prep, I'm gonna do some broccoli, egg, and cheese bites. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken dip with some veggies. I'm gonna make extra grilled chicken, and I'll probably just grill it up when I do the quesadillas. And then I can have it for the quesadillas and for the grilled chicken salads. But then also just for salads for me for lunch for the week. So that is it. I need to put all this away. The kids are literally getting off the bus in 5 minutes, and none of this is gonna be done. I still have to empty the dishwasher, and I still have a sink full of breakfast dishes. So it happens. I wasn't planning on getting up today and at all, actually, because I haven't been feeling well, like I said, and really doing much of anything, but like I felt good enough, and I wanted to get out of the house, and I feel fine. But I am starving, so I need to put all of these groceries away, and I need to go make some lunch. But thank you guys for watching. I know it's just like a little quick video of our meal plan and grocery haul, but I like to see these. I like to see different ideas of what people get. Oh, I also bought a pack of the it was the Poland Springs strawberry watermelon lemonade seltzer waters. So good. They are so yummy. And my total for all of this was $144.78. So that's a lot of money. That's like probably, I used to be able to go to Walmart and probably spend maybe $100, maybe, for all of that stuff. And it's just wild how much things have cost lately and how much the prices have gone up. It would always cost me like $50, $60 to fill my tank. I filled it yesterday and it was $100. I was like, Kevin drives a big truck. It was $148 for him to fill his truck. So it's kind of scary. So that's why I like to just like buy a few extra things every time I go, like the corn. I didn't just buy one for the week. I bought 3. So it's just, you kind of stock up and add those small things every time. So you have like a little bit of a stockpile. So if you can't find something, if they don't have something, you can kind of make do and shop your pantry first. So that's just my little tip with dealing with this crazy economy that we're in. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you watching my videos and commenting and liking and all of that. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.